Hey guys, my name's Max, and as you can see in today's episode of the 24MX Workshop, we found ourselves at the track. And to give us the most enjoyable and comfortable experience, we've brought with us the full range of 24MX Paddock products, including the famous 24MX race tent. Stay tuned because we're going to tell you all about it. Okay, so the first product that we're going to show you to give that pro paddock presence is maybe the most popular and the most famous pit product in all of the dirt bike world. It's the 24MX Easy Up tent. It arrives like this without the roof installed. I'm going to get some help to show you how to do this. You can do it as a one-man job, but it's a little bit easier if you get two people to do it. So I'm going to get the roof in now and we'll show you how to set up the 24MX Easy Up tent. So you just outstretch it a little bit like that. Take your two corners. Okay, so make sure you get the corners lined up, and there's some Velcro in the inside of the corners. I'll make sure that's lined up with this Velcro here. Attach that like so, get that corner up there. You see that's nice on the corner there. Make sure all sides are done, make sure the middle's in the top part here. And then we'll just take the frame, walk it back, lift up, like so. The next we go to the corners here, hand on top, hand on the bottom, press up until it clicks in, pull that down, do it at the back corners as well. That's all clicked in nicely there. Go around the corners, make sure it's all pulled down like it should be. And then we're going to raise it up. There's 5 different slots we can go up. We'll just go to the first one here. So foot on the bottom, on the foot there. Lift it up until you hear it click. So there we have the tent installed, set up. We're ready to be protected from the rain or the sun if it's sunny like today. Protect you from the wind as well. Like I said, we can go up a bit higher as well. There's 5 different settings on the leg here to go up way higher if we need to do that as well. So the 24MX Easy Up tent comes in 2 colours. We've got the grey here, but you can also get it in black. It's a 3x3 tent. At full height, this will be 2.1 metres. The top point will be 3.2 metres. And to carry around, it's not too heavy at all, only 25 kilograms. So the canvas is actually waterproof as well. It's a UV resistant, so if you're riding in the south of Europe or Spain where we are today, that's handy. But to make the tent even more weatherproof and give you some more privacy as well, we can put some walls on. We've got Velcro lining here, so we can add walls. We'll show you how to do that now. I'm going to get some help from Borja here. So this is really easy and simple to do. Take your wall. There's a logo on the outside. Make sure that's facing the outside. Obviously, you want to get the 24MX branding out there, don't we? So line it up on the inside there, like that. And now we then get the Velcro straps, secure it to the legs here. And then you secure the Velcro all along the inside. And now our legs are probably a bit low. You see the wall touching the ground there, so we're going to go up a little bit just to make it look a little bit nicer at the end. That wall is secured in. We've got 2 more walls to go. These are all accessories that you can buy. The normal walls, you can also get walls with a window and a wall with a door, but we'll show you those in a little while as well. Again, you can do this as a one-man job, but it's a lot quicker, a lot easier with 2 people here. We'll install the last wall at the back, and then we'll raise it up, and it'll look nice and pro, give you that privacy in the pit and that weather protection as well. So there on the back, we just Velcro the back wall onto the Velcro of the side walls there, fastly secured. Now we're going to raise the tent up completely. And there we have our pit set up, ready for the next few products that we're about to show you. So next I'm going to show you 2 different ways to secure the tent down when you're on the circuit, just to give you that extra peace of mind, make sure it doesn't blow away or anything. First up, we've got the ground anchor here. This is useful if The ground's not so baked like we see here in Spain. Maybe if I was back in England and it's more waterlogged, we can use the ground anchor. You take off the safety tip. There's a nice sharp end there. Then we go over to the foot of the tent. There's a handy hole down here. Take the end of the ground anchor and you'll start twisting that into the ground. Like I said, it's a little bit baked here, so it's not going to go too far in, but that's just to show you an example of how that works. The second option we have is the sandbag. We call it the sandbag because, of course, you can put sand in it, but really you can put anything in this bag. We're at the track here, we've got some rocks, so that's what I'm going to use today. Just anything that's going to be heavy enough to secure the tent down. Make sure it doesn't fly away anywhere whilst you're out riding. So just open up the end of the bag, grab some rocks. I've got handy next to the tent here. See, this already feels heavy enough. You could use anything though that you've got in the van, water bottles, sand if you've got it. But we're going to use rocks today. That's heavy enough. They're down. Zip it up. And then now we've got the Velcro straps that we're just going to put around the legs here. Hook it back through. So there, the sandbag, or the rock bag as we'll call it today, secured to the tent. Just going to weigh that side down. The sandbag, you get 2 in a set. The ground anchors, you get 4 in a set, so you can do all 4 feet. But with the sandbags, 2 will be enough. 1 this side, 1 that side. We're secured, the tent's not going anywhere. So now that the tent is secured down, we're going to start getting some products on the inside to build up that professional paddock feeling. And the first thing you're going to want to do is cover up the floor so you're not treading dust and dirt all around the bike whilst you're working on it. So we'll get the flooring in now. So the first thing you do is to make sure that the shiny side is laying on the floor. You see the corners here? This fluffy bit, make sure that's on the floor with the shiny side. Line up the hole in the foot there with that hole in the floor mat, and then you get your ground anchors to make sure that your floor mat is secured to the tent. Line the feet back up with those holes. Now the floor is attached to the tent. Give us that nice, clean, professional workspace inside of the 24MX pop-up tent. So we're going to continue filling up our pit tent with some furniture, some paddock furniture. First up, I'll show you the pit mat that we'll use to put the stand and the bike on. So here we have the 24MX pit mat. In certain events, organisations, races, these are actually required to soak up any spilt fuel or oil. We don't want to do any damage to the environment, so that's why we use pit mats like this to soak up those spillages. So we're just going to roll this out. And this just gives us that professional look that we're all searching for when we're at the circuit. And it also gives us that environmental benefit of soaking up 1 litre of oil or petrol. Next, we've got the 24MX foldable table. This is great to put your tools, your food, your drink, anything you need at the track, in the pits, you can put on the table, and it's super quick and easy to set up. It's got this handle to make carrying it around from the van to your tent super easy. Fold out like so. You slide these down, secure. As you can see, the legs are stored inside of the table here to make the table very compact, to make transport easy as possible. There we go, ready to rock. Fold the table out like so. Now we have a nice space to put our tools. With the bike, which will be here, tools will be here. We can reach around, grab the screwdriver, grab the spanners, work on the bike. Super easy, super quick, set up and install. Okay, so you're going to want to have some rest between rides when you're at the track, and we've got you covered there with a 24MX foldable chair. Doesn't take up much space in a van, is very quick and easy to set up and put out, and they're pretty comfortable as well. So as you can see, I've got the ProWorks folding stand in there now, and we're about ready for a bike. So Borja's putting the TM300 in there on the bike now, and we're getting this professional paddock look. And it's looking pretty good if you ask me. We've got plenty of space to work on the bike, in between rides. Plenty of space to chill out, have some food, have some drink, get ready for our next session on track. So if you're camping over at a track for the weekend, you're going to want open space like this for the riding in the day. But at night time when you're closing up and you want that privacy, we do have more walls that you can add. One on the front, we've got one with a window and one with a door as well. We'll show you those next. So we're just going to install this wall here with the window just to give us a bit more light when we're working on the bike or eating or relaxing in an evening if we're camping. So there you can see the side wall installed with the window just to let in some more natural light onto the bike, the table, while we're working inside of the tent and just chilling out here in between rides. And now we're going to show you the door that we can put on the front for that added privacy in between motos and in the evening if you're camping over at the track. Okay, so you can see our wall with the door installed. We've got these zippers here. We've got our own nice private room at the track now. Opening up the zippers. And now we can roll this up as well to open up our private space in between racing. Roll it up. And then we've got the Velcro round here and round here. Velcro that side. Now our door's open. We can get to our paddock area nice and easy, but then we can close it down if we want that privacy. We don't want our rivals seeing what we're doing inside of the tent. We can just grab the Velcro. See you later. So as you can see, our 3x3 24MX race tent provides plenty of space for one bike, one rider. But if you've got multiple riders in your team or your family, you might also want to bring a second tent to the track with you as well, just to broaden out your paddock space. And that gives me an opportunity to show you guys a couple of different options to transport the tent from home, the van, to the track where you're setting up in the paddock. So the first option we have here is the Deluxe tent bag. It makes carrying the tent to the track super easy. Like we said at the beginning, the tent's not too heavy, 25 kilograms. And in this carry bag, it's super easy to transport from the van to wherever you need to set up your pop-up tent. We've also got a pocket here on top where we can store the walls, the roof, anything else we need. You could probably put the ground anchors, the sandbags in here as well. Super easy, neat storage for the tent. When you're not using it at home, you can store it in the workshop, and this will be nice and neat in the van or in the camper van when you're traveling to and from the track. So our second option for tent transportation is even more luxurious and even easier to use. Maybe after a hard day at the track, you might not feel up to carrying 25 kilograms back to the van. So this option, the premium tent bag with wheels, is a super friendly option to have. It's got these fasteners here for an even secure fasten. Unclip those. And once again, it's got the pocket on top where you can store the roof, the side walls, the ground anchors and the sandbags if you want. And then the actual tent is nice and securely inside there, safe and sound. It will keep dry if you're keeping it in the garage or the shed. It keeps it neat in the van as well, or in the camper van to and from the track. This is a really great option, especially if you're feeling a little lazy at the end of the day. So we're almost finished setting up our presence here at the paddock, at the track. The final product we've got is the 24MX camping table. This is really useful if you're bringing the family or the kids with you to the track. And again, it's super easy and simple to set up. Just make sure you unhook all of the safety latches. Fold out the table like so. Glass fasteners here, this side, this side. There we are, ready for the kids, for the family at the track. They can sit and watch you work on your bike in between races. Like so. That's the full range of 24MX Paddock products here to give you an enjoyable and comfortable time at the track. You can find them all on the 24MX website. My name's Max, you've been watching the 24MX Workshop. We'll see you next time.